Good morning students. Continuation of chapter 16, that is emergence of independent states. In previous class we discussed about the the Marathas and the Rajputs that openly exerted their independence from the Mughal Empire. Today we will discuss about the Mysore and some exercises of this chapter. They are: tick the correct option, fill in the blanks and match the following. Let's proceed ahead. Now we will discuss about the Mysore. The state of Mysore rose to prominence in South India after the decline of the Mughal power. Earlier it was ruled by Chika Krishnaraj, but the real power was in the hands of Wadiyar brothers Devraja and Nanaraja. Hyder Ali became the ruler of Mysore and carried out successful wars against Marathas and the Nizams. The period of Hyder Ali was 1760 CE to 1782 CE. After Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan became the ruler. The period of Tipu Sultan was 1782 CE to 1799 CE. He introduced many reforms in the army, trade, coinage, weights and measurements, etc. He encouraged hard work and protected the farmers. He was also an able warrior and general. He organized his army on European style. He was a Muslim but was tolerant towards other religions. Tipu Sultan was a staunch enemy of the British and kept opposing them till his death. He sent his ambassadors to France, Turkey, Iran and Arab states to seek help against the British. He tried to modernize his naval power, to strengthen his power and to develop external trade. On the whole, India of 18th century lacked social unity due to feudal divisions and economic disparity. The condition of the women was not good. The backwardness of agriculture and industry at the hands of foreign companies destroyed the internal and the external trade. Culture, architecture, painting, music and literature also suffered. Urdu emerged as the lingua franca of high class. The Hindus received primary education at the temples and the Muslims at the mosques. Now we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. Students, in this exercise you are given 4 options. You have to first read carefully statements. After that you have to find the correct answer. Let's see first number. Sikhism owes its origin to the teaching of. Options are Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guru Nanak, Guru Ramdas, Guru Gobind Singh, and correct answer is Guru Nanak. Now coming second question. Who took over the title of Chhatrapati? Options are Sahu, Shivaji, Ranjit Singh, Balaji, Vishwanath, and correct answer is Shivaji. Shivaji took the title of Chhatrapati. Students, we have already discussed that Shivaji established a Hindu state and took over the title of Chhatrapati. Now coming third number. the Sikhs revolted against the Mughals under the leadership of? Options are Ranjit Singh, Banda Bahadur, Guru Tegh Bahadur, Diwan Dina Nath. And correct answer is Banda Bahadur. Now coming fourth number, which Nawab of Awadh was appointed the Wazir of the Mughal Empire? Options are Saadat Khan, Safdar Jung, Ashraf Ud-Dawla, Shia Ud-Dawla. And correct answer is Safdar Jung. Students, we have already discussed that Saadat Khan laid the foundation of a kingdom in the province of Awadh when the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah appointed him as the governor of Awadh in 1772 CE, and Saadat Khan's nephew Safdar Jung succeeded him in 1739 CE. He also became a Wazir at Mughal court. So correct answer is Safdar Jung. Now coming fifth number, Tipu Sultan did not send his ambassadors to one of these countries to seek help against the British. Options are France, Turkey, Iran, Spain. And correct answer is Spain. Tipu Sultan didn't send his ambassador in Spain to seek help against the British. Students, we have already discussed that the Tipu Sultan sent his ambassadors to France, Turkey, Iran and Arab states to seek help against the British. Now coming second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Let's see first number. Sawai Jai Singh was the king of dash. Correct answer is Amber. Sawai Jai Singh was the king of Amber, Jaipur. Now coming second number. During the rule of Chikka Krishnaraj, the real power was in the hand of dash. Correct answer is Wadiyar brothers. During the rule of Chikka Krishnaraj, the real power was in the hand of Wadiyar brothers. Now coming third number, Shivaji also collected taxes such as dash and dash from areas not under his direct control. Correct answer is Chauth and Sardesh Mukhi. Shivaji also collected taxes such as Chauth and Sardesh Mukhi from areas not under his direct control. Now coming fourth number, dash emerged as the lingua franca of high class. Correct answer is Urdu. Urdu emerged as the lingua franca of high class. Now coming fifth number, dash laid the foundation of the kingdom of Awadh. Correct answer is Saadat Khan. Saadat Khan laid the foundation of the kingdom of Awadh. Now coming third exercise, that is match the following. In this exercise, you have to match with suitable one. Let's see first number, Mysore, and suitable match is Tipu Sultan. Mysore, Tipu Sultan. Coming second number, Bengal, and suitable match is Sujauddin. Bengal, Sujauddin. Now coming third number, Hyderabad, and suitable match is Nizam ul Mulk Asaf Jah. Now coming fourth number, Maratha, and suitable match is Sahu. And coming fifth number, Sikhs, and suitable match is Guru Gobind Singh. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.